Hey guys, it's Mia here from Harry's team. So today I'm quickly just going to show you how to set up a brand kit in Canva. It's just to help you keep everything on brand and speed up content creation. Following on from our content calendar, before I get started designing anything in Canva, the first thing I rely on is our Vero brand kit. So this is what controls all of our colors, fonts, and basically the overall look of our content. So whether a post is going on Vero's business page, Harry's page, or Harrison's page, it still feels like it's all coming from the same place. So I use Canva Pro, which is what allows me to create a brand kit. And it's honestly one of the most useful parts of Canva. It saves a huge amount of time and effort because I don't have to think about design choices every time I create a post. Everything is already set up. So instead of picking colors, fonts, and styles from scratch for every single design, I just apply the brand kit and Canva does it for me. That means I can just focus on the message and the content and not really have to worry about the formatting too much. So if you're setting this up for yourself, it's really simple. In Canva, I'm going to quickly show you how to create your brand kits. All right, so setting up your brand kit is very, very simple. All you need to do is click on the left-hand bar over here on brand. And like I did mention, you do need Canva Pro for this. So to create your own brand kit, you would just click on here and then create new brand kits. And then you could name it whatever you want, Vero, TikTok, to account, and then create. And then you can basically just start adding in your logos, colors, fonts, whatever you'd really like to add in here. So if I show you our brand kit over here, then you can see the logos I've added in. These are the colors that we use. So it keeps everything in one place. The fonts, I've got our title font, our subtitle font. So once that's saved, it lives there permanently and you can apply to any design with one click. So you can do this on the free trial, but once the trial ends, you basically lose access to your brand kit and you have to rebuild it. So I'd recommend using the paid version. It just makes this whole process so much smoother and saves you having to redo work later. And I would say one of the biggest benefits of having a brand kit is definitely the consistency that comes with it. When people keep seeing the same colors and layout in their feed, they start to recognize the content straight away. And that familiarity, it builds trust over time, especially for founder-led brands. So the brand kit doesn't make things look better. It just makes everything move faster and it's more consistent and it just helps me manage things better. So I'm just going to quickly show you if you're now applying this to a post, how you would find your brand kit. All right, so all I'm going to do now is say Instagram post. And then let me just say a blank post. All right, so now that you've got your Instagram post, it can be blank or you can find a template on Canva that you want to edit. So if I click on here, I want to change the color of the page to fit in with our brand kit. So you'll see all your brand kit colors listed here. So say I want the background to be this color. Now I want to put in our logo. So then you're just going to go brand, find your logo, do this. I can do background remover, and you can use a background remover with Canva Pro. And then you just want to add your logo in somewhere, wherever you'd like, on the side, center. And then if I want to add in text, then it shows me here my brand kit, which is my font that I've saved in my brand kit. And then I'm just going to say 5 reasons emails go to spam. And that can be your heading. And you can also change the color according to your brand kit. And then once again, like you'll see all your colors here. So it's a really, really useful tool to have, just to have, all your colors in one place, your logos in one place, your fonts in one place. So you don't have to go back and forth. Okay, what are the colors I use? Or having it, like keeping everything in a Word document. It just helps everything move so much faster.